Hi everyone, so this is my IM. I decided to do it on Wix, which is something that I've used before in previous classes. So my topic was originally World War One and its technology, but I kind of narrowed it, or broadened it to just incorporate World War One, but also which included the beginning of and how it all started, but then also focusing on the technological advances within World War One. So this is my homepage. I got some resources, all the ways you can get to each page, and then down here I got a little map. So on my next page, I have basically the beginning, which is just how the war started and everything. I got a couple pictures to help the students understand what's happening. Then my instructional video, which will hopefully help the students a little bit more if they need to watch it. And it has a little bit of information that pertains to a quiz that I have at the back. As you can see on all of my pages, I have this font that I use because personally, I don't know if this is how other people feel, but I think it gives off like an old early 1900s newspaper feel with the text, and so I chose that as it pertains to the same era. So this one we have the main bit, which is the technological advances, which I included tanks, machine guns, gas masks, and all that. And I give a brief description of them. Like for the tanks, I say first, like built first by the French and be the first tank mass produced. And gas mask, I just tell them what they were used for and how they reduce the number of deaths due to chemicals. And so on my final page, I have my resources, which I have a quick quiz, which you just press this button. It will take you to a quiz, just enter your name. And then I've got a bunch of questions that'll test the students and see if they can complete this and fully master what I was trying to show them. Then I have a related video that goes to YouTube, and then I have another button that takes them to a website that just gives a similar lesson plan on World War I and some of the technologies.